Here's how to find and download embroidery designs on InStitch. Start by entering the InStitch web address and opening the site. Click Sign in the bottom left, then enter your account info. Once you're in, the home page is packed with recommended designs. Today's Picks gives you a fresh set of designs every day. Recommended use cases helps you find designs for specific projects. You'll also see popular patterns, plus trending and other popular designs worth checking out. Pick whatever works for the project you're doing. The second way is to open Explore. Explore lets you browse designs by category. Scroll down to see even more categories. Open Dog, for example, and you'll get a full page of dog designs. The third option is Search. Type exactly what you're looking for. Say you need a cap design. Type cap into the search bar. InStitch pulls up matching cap designs, plus related designers. Those are the 3 easiest ways to find designs on InStitch. Next, let's choose one and download the right file format for your machine. Let's grab a design we like. We'll use a cap design for this example. On the design page, first check the size to make sure it works. You'll also see the stitch count and color changes. If the size fits your cap, you're good to go. Pick the file format your embroidery machine uses. There are 6 formats available to download. Once the download finishes, the design will be on your computer. Transfer it to your machine over Wi-Fi or with a USB drive, and you're ready to stitch. Finally, download the color chart. It gives you the exact thread change sequence. That can save you a ton of setup time at the machine.